Welcome to India. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. Welcome to Sipcot. Tamil Nadu is one of the most advanced and admired states of India and is an economic powerhouse with the second largest economy, contributing to over 8.65% of India's GDP. The state has a seamless multimodal connectivity comprising of 6 airports, a long coastline of 1,076 kilometers with 4 major seaports, 2.5 lakh kilometers of roads, 6,800 kilometers of railway network, and a state-of-the-art telecommunications infrastructure with a maximum capacity of 15 Tbps bandwidth. Tamil Nadu is the gateway to South India. Tamil Nadu is also a power surplus state with an installed capacity of 31,990 megawatts. The state leads the country in renewable energy, accounting for over 15% of the renewable power generation of India. Tamil Nadu is India's most preferred destination for foreign direct investments, garnering 4% of the country's FDI. The all-round success of Tamil Nadu is driven by the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin's vision to transform the state as a $1 trillion economy by 2030. State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu is the lead agency of the Government of Tamil Nadu to plan, develop, promote and operate industrial infrastructure landscape in the state. Established in 1971 and now in its Golden Jubilee year, Sipcot has developed over 35,000 acres of industrial land spread across 24 industrial parks and 6 special economic zones. The state of Tamil Nadu is now home to over 80 of the Fortune 500 companies, and a majority of these companies have set up their base in the industrial parks promoted by Sipcot. Sipcot is instrumental for the growth of 2,890 industrial units with over 1 lakh crores of investments, generating more than 7 lakh employments. Sipcot's role in assisting the industrialization of the state is not only quantitative but also qualitative. Sipcot provides comprehensive physical infrastructure facilities including road networks, stormwater drains, stormwater systems, street lighting, water supply systems, waste management, parking infrastructures, and round-the-clock security. In addition, social infrastructure in terms of workers' hostels and other amenities are also provided on a shared basis. Sipcot is promoting walk-to-work concept in the newly developed industrial parks by developing residential housing and other social infrastructure facilities. Sipcot, to cater to the future demand, is creating an additional land bank of 45,000 acres for industrial purposes spread across the state. Sipcot envisions equitable distribution of industrial growth by developing industrial parks spread across Tamil Nadu in the districts of Madurai, Villupuram, Tiruchirappalli, Vellore, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Perambalur, Ramanathapuram, Dintikal, Theni, Virudnagar, Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli. Sipcot is also developing industry-specific parks to help promote cluster-based development. Sipcot allows allottees who have used up 50% of their allotted area to construct plug-and-play facilities and sublease it to others. Sipcot growth policy shall continue to promote the existing focus sectors which are drivers of economic growth and development in the state. These focus sectors are automobile, auto components, chemicals, electronics, hardware, heavy engineering, leather, textiles, financial services and software. Sipcot is establishing industrial innovation centers at the Sri Perambuttur and Hosur industrial parks. The industrial parks of Sipcot have a highly developed industrial manufacturing ecosystem which have also catalyzed substantial investments in new economy sectors. Sipcot has evolved as leading hubs for automobiles, auto components, electronics, precision components, textiles, leather products, light and heavy engineering, castings, e-vehicles, future mobility, solar photovoltaic manufacturing and pharmaceuticals. Under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin and with an objective to tap the growing opportunities in the emerging sectors in Tamil Nadu, Sipcot is also developing greenfield industrial clusters for furniture, medical devices, electronics manufacturing, e-vehicles, future mobility, textiles and leather sectors. These clusters are envisaged as comprehensive self-contained ecosystems comprising of physical infrastructure with state-of-the-art common facilities having social infrastructure and specialized services. These clusters will host and integrate ecosystem of local and international companies. Sipcot endeavours to promote eco-industrial parks by promoting sustainable use of water, wastewater management, rejuvenation of water bodies and the greening of industrial estates by planting over 4 lakh trees to improve the green cover which create carbon sinks in the parks. Sipcot has the capacity to supply 150 mld of water for industrial uses. To ensure sustainable water supply and water security to its clients, Sipcot has developed TTRO plants and is extending the same to the new industrial parks. An industrial water policy is formulated towards a sustainable, efficient water and wastewater management. Under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin, Tamil Nadu is a leader in ease of doing business rankings. Sipcot plays a major role in doing business easy through a transparent land allotment policy, a comprehensive GIS-enabled online portal for industrial land with 3-dimensional views with various attributes including utilities and connectivity is made available to investors. Sipcot is a significant contributor to the industrial development of Tamil Nadu, spurring its economic growth for the past 50 years, which in turn substantially enhanced the standard of living of the people of Tamil Nadu. Sipcot victoriously marches ahead, creating sustainable ecosystem for manufacturing and achieving new milestones. Sipcot has won many of the top-rated industrial parks awards in multiple categories of the Government of India ranking system. Sipcot, through its world-class industrial parks and infrastructure, is positioning Tamil Nadu as the most attractive investment destination. Welcome to Tamil Nadu and welcome to Sipcot.